going, I know. We're just going to get the mail. Why are you so excited? Okay, Puff, come on. I know you're excited. Let's go. It's okay.
There's a car coming. Oh, we're on the scary teacher's third.
Oh, that's true. Oh, she's cute too.
She just came from the salon.
Yeah. A Pomeranian.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a black party.
I was totally gonna
I know, he was so uncomfortable too. So that old lady just said, "You're so badass. You got dimples." What did she say? Like,
Yeah. He thinks you're so bad or something.
yeah.
That's awesome.
I was taping, but I didn't want to be like rude, so.
It was still recording?
For a part of it, but no, I stopped after after a while because it's, you don't want to invade, but see, I don't think that guy would have liked this taping because as soon as I got he looked at me like, hell no. So I was like, okay, so that's when I stopped it.
He didn't want to be the butt of somebody's joke.
Yeah.
That's okay, I understand. Like I said, I can make her sit if you want to pretend she's pooping.
Yes.
My normal wear. That's how I roll.
A little warm, but
He's trying to be your badass, I guess. But that's the whole joke. Like, why do you think we're recording? Oh, he just got a doggy,
we have the paparazzi following because he's so hot.
Oh, there you go, yeah.
So
I can see that song.